Hello everyone, introduce us. We are from Group 5 and this time we won't talk about what are the food problems in everyday life that occur in Indonesia at this time. Indonesia is an agricultural country because it has fertile soil. This can happen because Indonesia is located at the equator, which causes Indonesia to have a tropical climate. This makes Indonesia get the highest intensity of sunlight throughout the year so that it has a tropical climate with two seasons, namely the dry season and the rainy season, where the difference in temperature and conditions between the two seasons are not drastically different. In addition, the large number of volcanic activities also causes the soil in Indonesia to become fertile. This can support agricultural activities well. Therefore, agriculture is one of the most developed in Indonesia and is the main livelihood of the population. Agriculture has an important role in improving the country's economy so that the majority of Indonesia people make a living in agriculture. Meanwhile, what are the food problems in everyday life that occur in Indonesia at this time? Food as a basic need faces challenges to achieve sovereignty. The condition that Indonesia has as an agricultural country and is formed from thousands of islands is one of these challenges, but now and in the future. Pangan Bijak Nusantara is a vision of sustainable food sovereignty that is fair and respects local wisdom for all people in Indonesia.
The sustainable concept is applied to every food source production process, from processing, storage, to food logistics and distribution. A sustainable production system needs to have a high level of productivity so that it has a decent economic value and can support the next production process. The use of organic-based materials can be increased to reduce the adverse impact on nature. Provision of access to the needs of the production process also needs to be considered. Agricultural land is land that is vulnerable to land conversion. Protection and provision of land that provides food source. Both agricultural land and food source from forests need to be emphasized to overcome the conversion of agricultural and forest land into built-up land damage, inappropriate land use, and others.
Not only food source originating from land, food source originating from water also require adequate access. In the production process, a system is needed that can be support productivity from collection, cultivation, processing, to distribution of fishery product. Currently, fishermen in Indonesia need a sailing permit to be able to take fish. Therefore, the case of access to obtain the permit need to be considered again, so that fishermen can sell and carry out the production process.
Okay, the next carbohydrates. The level of diversity of local food types in Indonesia is also a challenge in food production, so that it can be maximally empowered. For example, with regard to food crops as a source of carbohydrate, Indonesia has only focused on two crops, namely rice and corn. Although there are 77 other types of plants that are carbohydrate sources, the wealth of spice in Indonesia is also a diversity that needs to be exploited. Chopped spice, we can also see that the form of the Indonesian archipelago is potential for food sustainability with local wisdom. The diversity of fishery resources in Indonesian seas also need to be introduced to the community so that the utilization of those resources can be optimized.
Okay, next, the problem of our daily life in economy and food sustainability. First, the problem of food security is availability, distribution, and consumption. The second is the problem of availability is limited and decreasing production capacity. The distribution problems are infrastructure, institution, safety link of distribution, and the variation production capacity between region and system. And the last one is the problem of consumption is most of energy consumption are grain and rice based. The policy of food security not only to create the food sufficiency with development economy with rural and agriculture are the basis, but also the sufficiency of food for poor society. In order to create food reserve of society, lumbung desa is important to be improved. Thank you.
The next solutions. First, increase organic based materials in order to reduce the negative impact on nature or use of organic fertilizer. 2. Emphasizing the conversion of agricultural land into development like what happened in urban areas. 3. Utilizing land that is not suitable for its use or used vacant land. 4. Creating a system for fishermen that can support productivity from collection, cultivation, processing to distribution of fishery product. 5. Cultivating other carbohydrate sources besides rice and corn.